Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find TikTok shop promo codes in 2025. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. All you have to do is to open your web browser, and in the search bar of it, you will have to search for TikTok shop promo codes 2025. Now once you search for it, you will see a bunch of different websites, and among these websites you will see coupons.com website, which is one of the largest websites out there. So you just have to simply open its URL in the new tab, or you can even scroll down a bit more in order to find more websites that are actually grabbing your attention. Like this one is giving you 30% off, so let's just open it in a new tab in order to check what this website is actually offering. Now when it comes to coupons.com, this is one of the legit websites that I've found online. Over here you will find a bunch of different coupon codes, and most of the time these coupon codes actually work for you. So you just have to simply select the coupon code in which you are interested and click on see coupon right next to it. Now it will say that you have to copy the code, so you need to click on it, and then you need to just click on the terms and conditions. You can see that the requirements are included the new and existing customers, so this discount will work for both. So you can copy this code from here, then go back to TikTok shop, and at the time of checkout you just have to simply use this code. Now if you find another code, you can just come to another website, and here you can just simply scroll down a bit in order to find some more codes, and you can just try to redeem them in TikTok shop and check whether those codes are working or not. Now in my opinion, you should definitely use coupons.com website in order to find TikTok shop coupon codes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.